Hey everyone, Brittany here from House of One, and today we're here giving you a behind the scenes look. We're in one of our condo projects in the heart of South of 5th at the Marea building. So join me on this tour as I show you guys a sneak peek as we wrap up construction and head into our furniture installation. Let's go. And here we are in the master bedroom, and some of the changes we made here, we're moving the entry all the way down to the far right side, adding a gorgeous drop ceiling, integrating new recessed lighting, new LED lighting, and as you can see behind me, we're installing this amazing palm mural. And of course, we're using Twill & Texture because we love working with them. They are truly the best. And walking into the kitchen, you're greeted by this amazing baby blue stone that we sourced from Arca. This stone drew inspiration for some of the textiles we use for our furniture, which you'll have to wait and see for the grand reveal. And now we're standing in the powder room, and we use a large scale terrazzo, which gives a high impact to a small space. And wait to the end because we're gonna be wrapping the entire bathroom with wallpaper. Again, by Twill & Texture, so stay tuned for that. And here we are where we first started, in the grand living space. And to the right of me, you'll find a lot of furniture boxes. And this is gonna have your accent chairs, dining chairs, lighting, you name it. And what's a House of One project without a piece from our own furniture collection? So you guys will have to wait and see. And until next time, this is the art of living with style.